Question 9. Alpha and beta are the roots of the 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Which of the following equation has the root of alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2? Okay, so method 1, you have to find out the alpha plus beta sum of root first and the product of root. So it's the normal method, so you can write down negative 2 and 2. So after you, not 2, but 1 over 2. And then after you do this one, you have to find out the new sum of root and the new product of root. So alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2 equals to the alpha plus beta plus 4. So it should be 2. And the product root is equals to the alpha times beta and then plus 2 alpha plus beta and then plus 4. Therefore, after you substituting the value, it should be equals to 1 over 2. So after you get these two values, you can check the answer. So you want your new sum of root to be 2 and check, because the new sum of root should be negative b over a. So the correct answer should be a or b by looking at the first two. A and b position. And the new product root, it should be c over a. It should be equals to 1 over 2. Then the correct answer should be a, because you have 1 and 2 here, but not 5. This is method 1. Method 2. If you don't want to find out the 2 and 1 over 2 by yourself, you can use your quadratic program. So because our alpha is the third output and the beta is the fourth output, so you will get the x and y, and then your new root should be x plus 2 plus y plus 2, and also x plus 2 times y minus y plus 2. So by looking at the program, so let's see, 2, 4, and 1. So this is your x, and this is your y. So on x plus 2, plus the y plus 2. So you get 2. You know that the new sum of root is 2. And then you already find out that c and d is not it's not correct. And then next one, the new product root, it should be 1 over 2. And then you can find out a is the correct answer. This one requires you also, again, you need the quadratic program and also the checking the sum of root and product root. And method 3, you can fully use your program. Method 3, again, only quadratic program, but you don't need to know the sum of root and product root. Let's see. Again, type the program called 2, 4, and 1. So you get our x is here, y is here. And then I want to check my new sum of root. This one I can have the x plus 2. And the beta plus 2 is y plus 2. So let us check the value. X plus 2, it should be 1.707 blah blah blah. And y plus 2 is the 0.29 something. Let us check the root, for A, B, C, D. Go back to the program. And then I want to check whether they have the same root. So 2, negative 4, and 1. So my x here today is 1.707. And my y, it should be 0.292x, something like this. So A is the correct answer. And let us look at B. B will give you not the same root. So let's see. 2, negative 4, and 5. So it gives you 1 plus blah, 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 I and 1 minus blah, 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 I. So they are not the same. So if the answer are not correct, they will give you different roots. Then for method 3, you don't need to know sum of root or product root, any concept, any formulas, but just checking the roots. But I recommend you to use method 2 because This one can show you both the skills and also your concept. If you get the skills and the concept, basically you can do it quickly. You don't need to write much, okay?